Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can stop Discord from opening on startup in Windows 10. So you have the Discord application installed in a Windows. You use Discord while playing games to connect with friends and other people, and now you want to turn off the Discord startup settings, but you can't figure out how you can do it. You want to stop Discord from opening while Windows startup. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to stop Discord from opening when Windows startup in Windows 10. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to stop Discord from starting and startup in Windows is open Discord. Once you open Discord, you land on an interface like this. Now from here, in order to stop Discord from starting, what you want to do is tap on this gear icon and go into user settings. Once you go into user settings, what you want to do is scroll down a little and go to Windows settings. Once you go into Windows settings, you land on an interface like this, and here the first option you'll see will be labeled as system startup behavior, and here open Discord. Save yourself a few clicks and let Discord greet you on computer startup. So you want to disable this toggle in order to stop Discord from starting when Windows is at startup in Windows 10. Once you do it, what you want to do is simply close this menu. You land back on the home page of Discord. So those are the simple steps in order to stop Discord from opening in startup in Windows 10. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.